So when we have some data with us, and for example, we have a date being written as this, as a number, to how to change the format. So any value in any cell can have a format, and what all are the formats available to us. So we'll right click on the cell and we'll click on format cells. So these are the formats: general, number, currency, accounting, date, time, percentage, fraction, scientific, text, spatial, and custom, right? So in case we want to change this number into a date format, we'll select date. And then further we have formats in dates. We can write like this as well, this as well. So whatever we select, we can select one. For example, we are selecting this, which is 14 March 2012. So day, month, and year, and we say okay. So now this number has been converted to date. Like we want to change this number to a time. So format cell, go to time. Again, in the time we have multiple formats available. Choose anyone which is whichever you want and say okay. So it will change the number to a time. Now we want to change this number to a percentage, for example, right? So what we do to change a number to a percentage, we simply multiply the same by 100. So instead of doing that manually, go to format cells, click on percentage, and now it is asking me the number of decimal places as well. By default, it takes 2, and we say okay. So it says 5%, and because we chose 2 decimal places, so 2 zeros you can see. Change to no format. So basically, it has some format. Go to format cells. So it has the format of number already. So we want to change it to no format. So what will we do? How to do that? We will say general. General format cells have no specific number format, right? And we will say okay. So it has no format, it's a general category. Change to currency. Right click, go to format cells, and we will choose currency. Now we can have multiple options available here. Uh, this is negative. This is for negative numbers, that how you want to mention negative numbers. Okay, and then it has changed the value to currency. So these are the multiple formats we have available in Excel, and whatever format you want you can use as per your requirements. So basically this is easy. You just need to right click, go to format cells, and choose a format whichever you want.